Right, now we're going to crack on with what we're here for, which is designing a kitchen. So he's drawn me, just to reiterate, a very simple cook line, a refrigeration section, and a dishwash section. Now, I'm going to be keeping this very simple, so we're going to focus on the cook line. So first thing I need to do, move my thing out of the way, is I need to go to my identity tab. We've got number position, we've got these things here. This little icon is area. And like I said, once you get the hang of this, once you get familiar with these little icons, they become second nature and you can pick them out of a line out very, very easily. But it's that one there. I'm going to create a new area, the cooking area. So it's CA for its code. And then I'm going to start typing cooking area. Another time-saving thing is it's decided that I'm going to rewrite a cooking area. And if I'm happy, I'll just click OK. If I wanted to change that, I just delete that and click OK. So again, it's trying to save us a little bit of time. It knows we've typed it before. It goes into the drop-down menu. It's there. And now all I need to do is to draw where I want the cooking area to be. So I'm going to be drawing it by point. There. 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 And get to line up. And there. And if I press enter, there we go, perfect. Woohoo! I'm going to take a celebratory swig of tea for that. Cheers. So we've got our cooking area. So basically what is going to happen now is that we're going to start inserting items in here, and the software will recognize which area it is in, and it will start allocating the numbering nomenclature, if you want, based on where it is. So it's really intelligent. It knows that it's going in this area here. It will then provide the number based on what we want it to do. So if I click on number position, and it comes up, another way, it comes up with the formula that it's going to be using to generate our numbers. So we want to have the area code as a prefix. We've got a 2-digit number. I'm happy with that. We've got a dot to separate it, and any accessories will be a alphabetized value rather than a numerical one, which I'm happy with. Perfect. We can have the same equipment having the same number. So if we had 2 rationale stacks, one on each end of the cook line, for example, they'd have the same item number. I'm not going to do that. We're going to restart each area. That's perfect. Happy days. So you can change that, of course, and you can modify it as much as you want to, but I'm happy with that.